Who's at the door? Who's using the bathroom? Let's make sure the doors are locked. Is the water running properly? Where did I put my keys? Do you need anything from the store? I'm so tired today. The laundry needs to be done. Did you hear that noise? Let's clean up this mess. Can you turn the volume down? Who's calling at this hour? I can't find my phone charger. The dishes are piling up. Can you believe how fast the day went? Do you want to play a game? The Wi-Fi is acting up again. Let's go out this weekend. Did you hear the latest news? Where's the remote? I'm going to start dinner now. Can you put the kettle on? Can you pick that up off the floor? Can you turn down the music? Can you help me find my glasses? Let's order some food. I think we need a new broom. Can you remind me to call the plumber? I'm running out of shampoo. What's the weather like outside? Can you check if the car needs gas? We need to buy more paper towels. I need to charge my phone. How did the meeting go today? Do you want to go for a walk later? Is there any coffee left? Can you pick up the dry cleaning? I'm thinking of redecorating the living room. Do we have enough dog food? Can you put this away in the closet? Do you know where my wallet is? I need to organize the pantry. Do you want to bake something together? Can you bring me a towel? Did you feed the pets today? Can you turn off the oven? Have you seen my book? What time should we start dinner? Can you help me move this furniture? Is there any ice left? Do we have any more of that cereal? Can you take a look at this for me? Who's doing the dishes tonight? Can you help me with the vacuuming? Can you pick up the clutter in the living room? What's the Wi-Fi password again? I need to write a shopping list. Is the thermostat set correctly? Do you want to try a new recipe? Can you water the plants? What's for dessert tonight? Do you need any help with that? Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.